Hello everyone! This unique twist on a feather earring is perfect for adding a special touch to your wardrobe. They also make great gifts for any friend you have that has a boho sense of fashion. They're super simple to make, made entirely of 8-weight pearl cotton, and can be created in about 20 minutes. The thread I'm using is a number 8 pearl cotton thread called Eleganza. Available in solid and variegated colors, it's low on lint for a beautiful cotton finish and the perfect size for feather tufts. To begin, I'll be cutting 4 lengths of 10-inch strands of thread. Fold them together in half and put them through the hoop of your earring finding. If your hoop is too small to get them through, here is a neat trick. Put a single loop of thread through the hoop and use it to pull the larger group of threads through the other side. You can then tie the thread into a single overhand knot. For the next part, you're going to need several 5-inch strands of thread. The easiest way to make a lot in a short amount of time is to find or cut out a 5-inch rectangle from stiff cardstock or cardboard. Wrap the thread around it over and over until you have a thick layer of thread. Then snip the thread loose at one end and gently pull the whole bunch off, using your fingers to keep the ends pulled out. Trim once at each end to create several strands of 5-inch thread. If you want, you can use several colors of thread interchangeably. If you do, separate them by pile. Pull out 3 strands of thread and tie them in a simple knot at the top of the first long strand of thread. Push it snugly right up against the top of the earring. Now you're going to repeat this same step over and over again. The further down you go, the bigger your earring is going to be, so you can decide where to stop depending on the size you want your feather to end up. Remember to keep pushing the knots of thread snugly against the one before it so you don't end up with any gaps. You should also tie the knot on the same side each time so the spine of the feather looks consistent on both sides. When you reach the length you want your earring to be, comb out the strands so they're laying as flat and straight as possible. You can help some of them towards the bottom into a downward slant. With a pair of scissors, trim each end of the feather with a curve. There should be a lot of extra length, so don't worry about trimming too much all at once. The last step is to add fray check all along the side of the feather that shows the knot the most. This will stop the feather tufts from slipping down and falling off. That's actually all there is to it. Make a second earring for a pair, or make a single larger earring for a statement piece. Let us know in the comment section below if you've made this craft, or also you can let us know what type of video you'd like to see next time. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.